What is up, everyone? So we are back again with another unboxing for Marvel Collector is Baby Groot. And it is Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 themed, so that's kind of cool. Quiet because it's late, very late. But, get into this. So, a patch we get of Star-Lord with a mask on, pretty cool. And the pin this time is of, the first one was what? Rocket was the patch and Groot was the pin, so we got Star-Lord as the patch and Gamora as the pin. Pretty cool. Oh, I have to show that part at least. His Baby Groot is adorable. Anyways, moving on. So the next box is Spider-Man Homecoming, by the way. I'm not going to look at that much because I don't want to spoil what's in here, so... we got a, Secret Empire comic. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Number 0 variant, so this is going to be a new series coming out, I guess. Pretty nice. Let's go with the shirt. So we have... that's a cool looking shirt. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 shirt. You got... Rocket, Gamora, Star-Lord, Drax, Mantis, Baby Groot, and Yondu. No Nebula, though. It's okay. And then, I already knew about that. Another Dwarves. Wow, they're doing this alone. So you got Star-Lord in the Milano is what that's called, apparently. So that's pretty cool. And finally, the pop that they revealed like 3 days ago that got spoiled. And it is... Hi.
Hi.
Rocket with Baby Groot. Can't really see Baby Groot. Baby there? Yes, kind of. But it's a nice pop. Rocket with Baby Groot on top. Kind of got spoiled. Is Rocket? Is Groot? Oh yeah, Little Groot's his own bobblehead too. Cool. But that is that. Nothing inside, unfortunately. But that's everything came in that. So, Star-Lord, Rocket, a bag, patch, pin, comic, shirt, Spider-Man, roommates. Cool. But that is it. Very short video just because it is late and I got stuff to do tomorrow. So, and roommate's home. So, that's it. Next should be Loot Crate. So, be on the lookout for that.